Thank you for choosing the Flowerman. We are so thrilled that you chose our DIY experience. This experience is the perfect way to kick off the wedding festivities. We have a few reminders for you and your helpers, and also what to expect for your DIY session. To ensure your DIY session is a success, we allow 6 people per group, the client plus 5 helpers. No one under the age of 12 is allowed in the back due to Ohio regulations. This includes babies in carriers or strollers. Parking is limited at both locations, so we encourage carpooling. Also, dress for success. This is a warehouse environment, so we encourage closed-toed shoes. Now let's get to the fun part. The DIY sessions approximately last 4 hours. Please have you and your helpers accommodate accordingly. Drinks and snacks are always welcome, and of course that extra bubbly too. Please be sure to bring any vases or containers that you may need for your design arrangements. These vases or containers will be outlined on your proposal as client will provide. Lastly, our DIY sessions will be located in our back warehouses. Please refer to your reminder email that will detail out your respective location. On the day of your DIY, you will be assigned a floral coach that will lead you through each step of the process. Your floral coach will partner with you to ensure your vision is executed seamlessly. At the end of your session, your coach will work with you to create an itemized checklist to ensure that all items are included for your designated pickup person. Please be sure to have the name and contact information of your designated pickup person so we can fill your checklist out accordingly. On the day of your wedding, it will be important that your designated pickup person brings the right size vehicle to transport your florals. Please make sure that the designated pickup person does not come in a pickup truck and that the vehicle has AC or heat, depending upon weather. If your pickup person does run a bit behind, please have him contact the Flowerman directly so we can update your pickup time. Thank you again for choosing our small family business, the Flowerman. We are honored and blessed to work with you. We can't wait to see you soon.